Hello traders, Gary Wagner with the Gold Forecast here. Today's date is the 18th day of November. It's Thursday and this is the daily report. Gold has found its way outside of the downside and is moving back up, currently trading up approximately $17, trading at 1353.35. We have had a high today of 1360.50 and a low of 1346.30. Obviously, today's topic is going to be the fact that we have seen the completion of this pattern that we were looking for yesterday, and that's that Three River Star variation. So we will be issuing a buy signal all here on today's daily report. Well, traders, there is absolutely no doubt that we did have the buy the dip mentality come into the marketplace this morning. It has accelerated gold off of these lows here, and as we talked about yesterday, we did see a potential bottom in the market. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the chart that we were looking at. That's the 240-minute chart. And the reason I have this chart up, of course, is on our daily chart. We were looking for the completion of this three-day pattern, which is what I call a Three River Star variation. Traders, this is the 240-minute chart that I really like to look at. And as you can see, if you recall from yesterday's report, we talked about the fact that we saw a very, very strong base forming right in this area. And this was the area between 1332 and 1340. You can see that when the market, in fact, did break out, it had a very, very nice, strong, what I'll call a complete breakout from this one area and began to, of course, then trade higher. And this is that move that we witnessed. However, I think that the other thing that we can see right now is that, at least on a tentative basis, we do have some resistance here at this 1356 area, as illustrated by the fact that as we got up in this area, you can see that it's had some difficulty kind of going through that area at about 1353. So there is some resistance there. I think we're going to find resistance at these different benchmarks. We'll probably find some resistance right here. That 50% level will also be a tactical move that it's got to overcome. Traders, we did get the pattern that I was looking for, the Three River Morningstar variation. I am now recommending that we enter the market from the long side. Traders who take that call need to place a stop. That stop needs to be below this low right in here, 1305 on a protective stop. Again, traders, enter a long position, 1305 on a protective stop. And we want to see, at least in the afternoon and nighttime session, I'll be more comfortable when the market takes this one area out and this becomes support rather than resistance. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for the weekend review. Bye-bye.